Happy Monday, you guys. Happy August 24th. So, just a quick update before the market opens. What I see that for Amazon on the 1 hour, the 21-day is below the 200-day. So, I would like to see how that goes above the 200-day. Ever since last Friday, the 21-day went below the 200-day. Amazon has been on a downtrend, hasn't really broken up above 266 a share. So I'm looking to see how 21-day goes above the 200-day for Amazon. I see that on the RSI, the momentum is above the average line. So we have potential for an uptrend today. So we shall see for Amazon. Yeah. 6 hour, the 21-day is above the 200-day, but that momentum is not in our favor yet. So I would see how the 6 hour momentum goes in our favor. Same for the 8 hour, 10 hour, 22 hour, and the 1 day. Okay, now let's look at soun again. For soun stock, we have the 2 hour in our favor. The 21-day moving average is above that 200-day moving average. We also have the momentum in our favor. You can see that the momentum line here is above that average line. So we are still looking to head to the upside for soun stock. I'm looking to see how this 1 hour momentum goes above the average line and how this 21-day moving average goes above the 200-day moving average for this 1 hour time frame for soun. That momentum is in the 56 area, so I'm looking to see how it pull back a little bit before it has its next leg up. So I'm watching soun as well. SpaceX was touched on, so I want to bring that back up. Oh wow, nice. So for SpaceX, this momentum line is above the average line, so that shows uptrend. And that 21-day moving average is above that 200-day moving average, as we can see here on the 3 hour time frame. Let me see the 6 hour. So the 6 hour doesn't show the 200-day time frame, and the momentum line is not above that average line yet. Neither is the 8 hour. So I would see how this 1 hour momentum line goes above that average line, as well as the, oh wow, the 21-day moving average is above that 200-day for the 1 hour. Okay, so I would just look to see how that momentum line goes above the average line for the 1 hour time frame for SpaceX. Let's see OMEX stock. This has been a while, but let's see what OMEX stock did. Okay, so we did have that falling wedge, and finally we have some upward trend here for OMEX stock. That 21-day moving average is below that 200-day moving average, but this momentum is in our favor. It is above that average line, but I'm noticing it's in that 60 area. So let's look at a smaller time frame. Fascinating. So it looks like we still, even though that 1 day is in that 60 area, This momentum line is still above the average line on the 1 hour. 21 days above the 200-day on the 1 hour. So I guess it still has room. Not I guess. Looking at the indicators, it shows that it still has room to the upside. So I would watch OMIC stock. See if a short-term target of 1.18 is hit before the 1 hour time frame goes back bearish, meaning before the 1 hour, 2 hour time frames go back down to the downside, because currently the 21-day is above the 200-day on both the 1 hour and the 2 hour now, and the momentum is above the average line in our favor. So we could potentially still have an upside for OMIC stock. Okay, any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Any other analysis you want to see done on a certain stock, just leave it in the comments below. I'll look at it, and when I have the time, I will definitely upload it. So today is Monday and upload day. Wednesday's an upload day. Friday's an upload day. I just missed this past Saturday, but Saturday is also an upload day, and I would upload if you all want analysis on certain stocks. Let's get this going, and soon I could do live screen shares and stuff like that. So let's get this going. Any comments, concerns, any analysis that you're interested in, let me know. See you in the next video.